So, good morning. I am going to teach you what is megasporogenesis. So, megasporogenesis in megasporogenesis, first one cell which is undergo meiosis and it form haploid tetrad daughter cells, and in which only one is functional and other get degenerated, and the one undergo first mitotic division 1 and form two nucleus. Because it has one nucleus in it, it form two nucleus, so in mitotic 1, and in second mitotic division 2 it form four cells. These two get divided into four nucleus, and next the third mitotic division it form eight nucleus, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, in which it go the three cells undergo goes upward direction and form antipodal cell called antipodal cell, and other three go downwards, in which one is egg cell and other is synergids. Synergids is helpful for guidance of the pollen grain. It is egg cell. So and two remains in the center. After they after this fusion of and this two secondary nucleus is called polar body. What it called? Polar body. And these two polar body undergo fusion and form one secondary nucleus, and this is the embryo sac which has three antipodal cell and one secondary nucleus and two synergids, one egg cell. It is called embryo, and the whole process is called embryo megasporogenesis. Thank you.